Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how I achieved this simple and easy dip powder slash gel polish manicure set. If you want to continue to see it, just keep watching. So in this clip I'm showing you that I've already prepped my nails using my Revel clear powder, and here's my choice of color called Barely There by ASP Quick, and then I'm using my nail base and top gel polish. And I add this on first, and you have to make sure that you coat the entire nail using thin coats, however, not bulky coats, because then your dip powder will be clumpy and lumpy and that's gross. After you apply it, then you dip the powder, you keep dipping, and then you tap off the excess. And then we're going to clean up our cuticle area. Now you don't have to do this, but this is my choice. I clean off my cuticle area, and then I proceed to continue with the rest of my fingers. You apply your base coat, and then you dip the powder on there. Now after I've completed that, I will take a makeup brush and I'll just wipe off or dust off the excess powder, and then I will continue on with the next step. So you want to dip to your desire. After you finish, you take your activator and you put the activator on each nail. Now the activator will make sure that the dip powder will become hard to where you can file, buff, and shape your nails to your desire. Again, I want to mention you can dip how many ever times you want to dip so you can get full opacity. Now I know you see that I'm using an e-file, However, you don't have to use an e-file, you can use a hand file. It works just fine. Now I'm taking my Azure Beauty base coat and I'm applying it to my ring finger because I'm going to use my ring finger as an accent finger. And I'm adding on a greenish color. They don't have names, so they just have numbers. I can't remember the number to this one. I'll link it below. And I cure it. Then I'm going to add my temperature changing color polish. Now my hand is still warm, so watch when I apply it. It's going to go from dark green to light green. And the crowd says, ooh, ah. And after I finish cleaning up the nail, I cure it, and then I go and I add a top coat to the rest of my fingers because I'm using a gel top coat instead of the dipping top coat. And I'm going to add gems to my nails. Now this is my first time ever using gems, and the adding process was a struggle. However, I persevered, I made it through, I accomplished it. So you guys just keep watching. I finished applying my gems, I cured it, and now look at her. Look at her. She did it her first try. Now I'm attempting to use my left hand. Now I'm right-handed, so just understand. I'm attempting to use my left hand to add the gems to my right hand. And I can honestly say this is very challenging, but again, I made it through. I survived because I'm a survivor. And here's the completed look. My easy, simple dip powder slash gel polish manicure set. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you all in my next video.